contains one sun and 8 planets. Okay, this is called sun. This is Mercury. It is closest planet to sun. This is Venus. It is hottest planet in our solar system. This is sun. This is third planet from the sun and first four which contains planets. This is Mars. It appears red and black in color due to large amount of iron oxide in the soil. Okay, this is called Jupiter. It is the largest planet of our solar system. Okay, the largest moon called Ganymede. Understand? This is called asteroid belt. It is Mercury. It is the closest planet of the sun. This is called Venus. It is hottest planet of our solar system. It is Earth. It is the largest third planet of our solar system which contains life. This is called Mars. It appears in red in color due to large amount of iron oxide in its soil. This is called Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. This is called Saturn. Saturn is 62 moons. Titan is the second largest moon of our solar system. This is called asteroid belt. Asteroid belt occupies orbit between Mars and Jupiter. This is Uranus. This is called ice giant. This is Neptune. It is so far away so the light can reach 4 hours to reach Neptune. Thank you.
Our solar system consists of the sun,